Let's be honest, when you're starting out as a content creator, it's easy to feel like nobody notices you. I used to think you needed thousands of followers to get paid. But once I looked at my PayPal history, I realized I'd made over $1,000 online. From small brand collaborations, TikTok shop sales, and paid partnerships, all before I even hit 1,000 subscribers. Hey y'all, it's Sharon, Life Basharan, where I share real ways to make money online, side hustles that actually work, and how to grow your income as a small creator. Make sure you hit subscribe and turn on that bell, because I post new videos every week. When I first started, I didn't have fancy equipment or a big following. I had a phone, a message, and the determination to prove you can build from where you are. My first small payout came from TikTok Shop. $11, that tiny win changed everything. Then came payments from Meta bonuses, Google Ads, and brands like Waterboy LLC and Frontman Health. One by one, they added up. I treated content like a real job, posting on a schedule, tracking results, and replying to every email. When a company reached out offering $75 for a shout-out, I said yes. Another paid $25, another $100 by staying consistent and saying yes to small deals. I built credibility that led to bigger ones. I also made myself easy to find. My email is in every video description. That's how my first collab happened. I didn't wait for luck. I prepared for it. TikTok Shop became a big part of my growth. I focused on solving problems, not just showing products. Instead of here's collagen, I'd say this helped my hair after postpartum. That connection made my videos convert. I didn't rely on one income stream either. I combined TikTok Shop commissions, Meta bonuses, YouTube revenue, affiliate campaigns, and brand ads. That mix gave me steady paydays. $57 here, $76 there, $127 from Google, and before long, it passed $1,000. Here's what my weekly routine looks like now. Monday to Wednesday, film and post product or job videos. Thursday, upload work from home or side hustle tips. Friday, pitch new brands. Weekends, go live and post TikTok Shop content. If you're new, don't wait until you have 10K followers to act professional. Every small win counts. Your first $1,000 might come from 10 small deals, but that's still $1,000 you built yourself. So that's how I made my first $1,000 online with TikTok Shop, brand collabs, and small partnerships, all from consistency, not luck. If this inspired you, like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell for more creator income tips. And before you go, check out my Amazon storefront for all the creator tools I actually use. From lighting to tripods and TikTok setup gear, everything I use to make my videos look professional on a budget is right there. This is Sharon, Life Basharan, helping you turn your content into income, one collab at a time.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and click here to watch the next one.